Alright, let's get that out of the way. Alright, today we're going to be doing a 108,574 coin Pro Pack spree. I'm also going to be joined with this excuse of a human being named Ivan jerking off.
Bro, I got Ryan Matthew 87. Oh man.
Alright, we're gonna start this off.
Wait, show me your team first.
Oh yeah.
Crappier team is.
Just a brief team review since last time. Yeah. One of my friends in the league, he sent me a freaking pro pack. I told him what I got. He got so mad. Alright, we got 88 speed, 91 agility, 91 jump ball, 85 awareness, 84 catch. I just realized how crap that is. An elite receiver with 84 catch. Also have Allen Hurts, 89 catch, 84 speed, 87 awareness. So got Cordell, 77 catch. You're an NFL receiver, dude. Why do you have a 77 catch? Russell Wilson, 87 throw accuracy short, 85 throw mid, 81 throw deep, 83 speed. And I'll go ahead and show y'all Lamar. 88 speed, 62 strength, 89 agility, 87 acceleration, 89 awareness. So here's a brief note. He only has 72 trucking, but this dude trucks harder than... I don't even know who to describe him to. Dylan, they can hear you. Stop punching on that thing.
I know.
Good. Of course you like slurping on it. Now let's get to the pro packs. Watch me not get any elites. If I do this, I'm quitting Meth Mobile. And here's the first one. It's gonna be a long video.
Elite.
Oh, okay.
Update team, that's not bad.
Did Davion Clowney to start it off? I said it with the no looker reveal all.
Oh my god, no, dude.
You little. Alright, that was trash. I'm gonna be spending all my money on this. I best earn it back.
I'm gonna pull one overall elite. Bruh. Oh, it's good. It's an elite, bruh.
I couldn't tap it. What the heck? I tapped it like 5 times and it wouldn't open.
Trashiest pack grabber. Boy. Made a mistake.
I'm already down to 73K and not one elite. It's messed up.
Boy.
Oh my god, my luck is trash, bro. Come on, EA.
Let me open it. I'll get an elite. Next pack, watch. Let me open it. I'll get an elite, bro.
Alright, now my friend's opening this. Dylan, take the honors.
Well, no, because he already tapped how to buy it, so. Oh, dang. You gotta, hold on. That's like the best pack ever right there. Okay, hold on.
Okay,
Hold on. Okay, so wait, not update your team yet. Okay, hold on. Now I get to do one more because I got extreme luck now. Okay. And
I'm already down to 40K and not a one
here's
elite.
your elite right there. Bro, you got freaking... Dude, I gotta keep on doing it.
No.
Bro, watch, you're gonna get a 75 crappy.
If I don't get one elite this whole video, I'm gonna be...
I mean, touch it, bro. I got luck.
Alright.
Bruh.
Yeah, totally luck giving me a 75, you dodo.
You could have just bought an elite too. You could have bought OBJ, bro.
I could have bought freaking Odell. I'm already down to 10K and still not an elite. I'm so triggered. It's my last pro pack.
Come on, EA.
Please, EA, I'll suck a dick. Oh. Come on, EA. Screw you. I spent so long trying to get. I freaking hate EA.
Oh my god.
Now one elite. Come on. 100K. Not one elite. God dang.
No, my god.
Everyone type in the comments, screw EA. And this video's wrapped up.